Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this channel we are helping out all the aspirants, those who are preparing for GPSTR exams by handling maths and physics classes. Okay, now before proceeding, all those who are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press the notification icon, bell icon, so that you will get the intimation of all the updated videos. Okay, come, let's move into the topic progressions in mathematics. So always there are few questions from this chapter in your GPSTR exams. What are progressions? A progression means a number of things which is given in series, the one next to the other, or we can call it as also sequence. Like in mathematics, when we call it as a sequence and orderly arrangement of numbers. Okay, there are three types of progressions: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, whereas we call them in short form AP, GP and HP. So there are few points to be noted here. So these progressions are in sequence. Okay, it's orderly arranged. An orderly arrangement of numbers, we call them as progressions, and they follow certain rules. Okay, we have to follow certain formulae in order to calculate the terms, and it could be of finite or infinite terms, and the general form of these progressions are T1, T2, T3 and T4. It follows like this. So here we have considered few examples. Number 4, 11, 18, 25. So when you look at these numbers, they are progressing, means they are increasing by the preceding number, and there is a common difference among this number. Suppose if you subtract 11 minus 4, you will get a number 7. 18 minus 11, 7. 25 minus 18, 7. So it means when you go on adding 7, one particular number to the next number, you will get the preceding number. First number is 4 itself. First term, if you consider 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 18 is 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. So that this forms a sequence. In the next one, you so look at this numbers. It's 43, 32, 21 and 10. It's going on decreasing. So certain number is subtracted from this first term and the preceding terms. So if you check out, you get a number 11 like this. 43. 43 minus 11, you'll get 32. 32 minus 11, 21. 21 minus 11 is 10. So it goes on like this in particular order. Hence they form a sequence. Okay, now let's move to arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression? A sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So the general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and plus it goes on like this, A plus n minus 1 into D. And the general formula to calculate the nth term is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The common difference, if at all you calculate, D is equal to Tn minus A divided by n minus 1. So you can also rearrange these terms to get D, you will get back this. And suppose if there are n natural numbers, the sum of this first n natural numbers is given by a formula. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Suppose if they ask us to calculate the first terms, the sum of the first n terms of an AP. If the last term is not given, then we have to follow this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If the last term is given, then Sn is equal to n by 2, a plus l for the last term. L is the last term. Okay friends, now we shall solve few sums related to AP, arithmetic progression. In an AP, if A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, find T10. Let's list out what is given. A is equal to 5 is given, D is equal to 3, and here T10 is given. So this 10 is nothing but n value. N is equal to 10. We know the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. To calculate the 10th term we have to calculate, that is T10 we have to calculate. So T n value is 10, and substitute the remaining. A is equal to 5, n is equal to 10, and D value is 3. And after substituting, we have to solve 5 as it is. 10 minus 1 is 9, and it is in multiplication with 3. So 9 3s are 27. Till then this 5 will be carried out, and hence here we get 5 plus 27, which is equal to 32. We'll move to another sum. If A is equal to 13, T15 is equal to 55. Find D. That is common difference we have to find out. A is given. This, whenever you find like this, T15, T10, here this number stands for n value. So here this is n value n15, and T15 is given, that is 55. And using all this we can calculate D value common difference. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the given values. Tn value is 55. So n value is T15, n is 15, so T15 is equal to A is 13, and plus n is 15 minus 1, D is, we have to calculate, it is not given here. So D write as it is. But T15 value is given, hence substitute that 15 value. T15 is equal to 55, which is equal to 13. 15 minus 1 is 14 into D. And now this is in multiplication with the D. So 14 into D, 14D. You shift this 14D the other side, or you keep 14D as it is the same side. Bring this 13 the other side. Get 55 minus 13. When 13 moves to the left hand side, it becomes 55 minus 13, and 14D remains same. So 14D is equal to 55 minus 13. So now 55 minus 13 is 42. D value 42 divided by 14 is equal to 3. Okay. Find the number of terms in AP: 100, 96, 92, 12. We have to find out number of terms in the AP series which is given here, the progression. So A value is 100. D, let us find out the common difference. 96 minus 100. So 96 minus 100 is minus 4. And Tn value, what is the nth term? Here it is given Tn, nth term is 12. N we have to calculate. So use the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the remaining. Tn value is 12. A is 100. N minus 1 into D is minus 4. Now let's solve. 12 write as it is, 100. Here plus into minus is minus. N into 4 is 4n. Next, minus into minus is plus. 1 4s are 4. Next is 100. 4. 100 plus 4 is 104 minus 4n. And bring this 4n to the left hand side. Minus 4n becomes plus 4n. Take this plus 12 the other side, it becomes minus 12. So 104 minus 12 is 92. 4n is equal to 92. N is equal to 92. This 4 is in multiplication with n, so it goes through the denominator. 92 divided by 4, which is equal to 23. Cleared? Okay. So in the following classes, we will be solving few more numericals related to AP. So if you like our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for all the notifications. to get immediately, and then give a thumbs up if you like the chapter. Thank you.